Introducing the new book, Diabolical Deceptions by Darin Martineau. Learn how to do incredible and highly visual close-up magic to amaze your audiences. Learn new card magic, new coin magic, new magic with money, and more. This is very amazing, super visual close-up magic. Diabolical methods. Learn how to do revolutionary new magic and advanced techniques. This is professional close-up magic. This is an advanced close-up magic book. These super visual effects are explained in detail in words and color photos. Master Magician Darin Martineau is an international best-selling author of over 60 magic books. He's a mentor, he's a magical creator, and he's the protege of the world-class magician Allan Ackerman, who's a protege of the famous Ed Marlo. Darin Martineau has over 35 years in the art of magic. Click on the link and get this book today to learn this amazing new magic.